In primetime news this evening, nothing new. JLP hierarchy defends MP Everald Warmington following his controversial comments. And farmers in St. Catherine warn of devastating Christmas in terms of food supply.
Good evening and thanks for joining us for primetime news. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
Janella, our emphasis this evening is on a major conglomerate. Grace Kennedy's profits declined in the September quarter. That and more in the business day.
Thanks, Andrea. From Andrea, we go to Jeremy. Jeremy, what do you have for us?
Well, thanks, Herman. Well, yesterday it was the Reggae Boys who were in action in Cameroon. This evening, it's the Reggae Girls taking on Paraguay at the Montego Bay Sports Complex. We'll tell you all about that a bit later on.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what improvements or changes do you want to see at customs, especially ahead of the usual busy Christmas season?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam 1.
Jam 1.
Jam
Please stay
1.
with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.